What's up guys, welcome back to King Brock's channel, and today we're playing Minecraft again, and this is the world that I did. But as I said the last video, I'm gonna do something right here, but I'm still not done with it because I don't have a pickaxe to do it. So let's make some.
Tapon mo na pati yung ano dyan, yung dustpan na sira.
Then we just mod these things. Bro, why is my hair so itchy? Is it because it's sweaty? And I'm gonna do another video. So this is my third. This is part 2 of playing Minecraft until my building skill. This is Minecraft part 2. So yeah. So let me just go here, then here. I'm gonna make a pickaxe because I need a furnace. I need a pickaxe. Tools, then one pickaxe. Let me mine on the ground right here. So the last video I did was a good one because I watched it, but I already uploaded it. Then I did another video. I hope this gets viral though. Please guys, like and subscribe if you watch this. Please like and subscribe. Because I only have 70 subscribers, but I'm okay with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me stop counting. I just need 18 blocks. So, next block. Then let's make a furnace. Oh wait. Oh yeah. I didn't need that actually. So let me just go here. Then let's make a furnace. 2 furnaces. So now this is my bed. Spawn point set. Let me turn my volume up. I'm just gonna do something. I'm gonna escape. Ano yun? I am back, guys. I'm sorry that took long, but my brother told me. I need to do something. I'm done. I hope he doesn't do anything, cause whoa, I forgot. Then
Yun? Ha? Ano yun? Ano yun?
sorry if once you can hear other human talking, but that's my family, so just ignore them. Bro!
Oy, bawo!
Langaw.
Oo, parang.
And then we're back. Bro. We need to kill this animal. I need to kill you, I'm sorry. I do not feel bad. Even just a little. Cause this is again not real life, bro. Hello, doggy. What's up? I'm talking to my real dog, not an imaginary dog. You can hear him. See, you can hear his breathing, right? I hope. Hey, doggy, talk to the channel. Hey, doggy, talk to the channel. Okay. He's eating himself, so he can't talk right now. He's busy. So, let me get the wood. Get the slabs. Oh, wait. I need slabs so I can cook. Need slabs. I need slabs, bro. Come on. I need slabs. Then let me put it on a furnace. And put it there. There. Then let me put the steak right there. No! Like that. So I'm cooking, right? I'm cooking. Cooking! Yo, it's not time. I gotta sleep. It's day 4. I mean 3. It's day 3 now. And I still don't have a farm. What the hell? Well, I guess I just need, I don't have any wood. Come on, bro. Are you serious right now? I need 2 man wood. Okay, I guess. Whoa, what's that? A baby chicken! Wow, it's so cute, bro. The hell? Oh, there's a cave! Oh, I almost fell. So I hope I don't die. Cause, yeah. I need this world. I hope I don't die while not while not, yes. What's that called again? Yeah. I hope I don't die while not respawning on my bed. Cause that sucks. Oh, I forgot I need water. Bruh, are you serious right now? What? Bruh. I'll just do something. I'm just gonna AFK, so see you later.
Nakakuha na mo ako resipit. Saka dalawang bakal hanger. Kuha na mo ako isang resipit, saka dalawang bakal hanger. Hi, aso. Aso. Hi, aso. Ano? Limaw naman siya pa, sumbo yun.
I'm back. Hello. Bro, why does my brother keep telling me to do something? Please stop. Where's my base at? What the hell? Where's my base? I think it's over here. Yeah, there it is. I'm not the best builder because look at my house. It's literally flat as hell. Look, bro, it's literally flat. Well, we need water, but...
Ano rin yun? Paano to?
Oh, I need a shovel. That's what I'm talking.
Eh, paano?
Ilang bakit ko rin sa Kulibay yun? Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Or sa inyo man lang? Ni?
Ikaw gusto mo naman mag-taekwondo.
Ha?
Kung gusto mo naman mag-taekwondo.
Katong sakating pa dun. Oh, we can... Bro! I need a shovel.
Pero kaya nyo nga.
Gusto mo ba? Taekwondo.
Pero kayo.
Ting, 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 ting.
Kaya mo siguro.
Pag hindi na kaya, aalis na. And let me build 2 shovels. Because I need it. I need it. Just speed it. I need the shovel so I can track it into there to my farm kasi I'm lazy to get iron. I don't want to mine, but I kind of want to mine, but I'm kind of don't want to. So, yeah. As you can tell, I'm a lazy guy. I have 2 mines on my head. Not only just one. Just go into here. Oh, showing how funky strong the heart. It doesn't matter who's strong. Beat it, beat it, just beat it, beat it, just beat it, beat it, just beat it. Woo! They thought that you're really, really not scared. Don't want to see if I could better disappear. Okay, I'm just singing. I'm just singing. Well, I need a friend, that's why I'm here. Oh, I want to beat it. Oh, how can strong it doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. Let me find some seeds. So, just beat it. Oh, I already have 2 seeds. So, let's just plant them. No one wants to beat it. Showing how funky strong is your fighter. It it doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. Beat it. They're about to come to really not scared, bro. I only have 4 seeds planted.
Lang yan.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. I have 4 seeds. I have 6 seeds planted. Okay, so let me just go back there, then let's go. Do I need to kill you because I don't have any food? You're about to kill someone that really you guys you better disappear. The fire in the eye. So let me just go back by walking. Okay, I need to kill myself cause I need it. I need it. Ooh. You're about to really not scared. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. So, what can we do now, guys? I already have a farm, a house. The only thing I'm missing is a barn and a tree farm. Only 2 things.
Meron pa sinakin doon?
Nakain ka?
So, I think we are done. We're just gonna stay for a bit longer because we need to pass days.
Ano yun?
So I'm just
Tumapit ko na yan sa
gonna
inyo sa preview.
test mine logs.
Kapag ko hindi mo.
Ano?
Let's just spend my time mining logs. So let's go.
Sabi niya sa akin, ako yun naman.
So we're almost done. I'm just gonna spend my time mining now, so yes. Just gonna mining. Holy. Sinama kayo niya, unti lang.
Ano?
Sinama unti.
Hindi mo naman pala. Oy! Pupunta?
Bro, I actually need food right now. Actually need food. So, just gonna make myself starve, I guess. I'll do something right here, but can't do it right now, so I need to starve. Oh, I gotta have food here. I have food here. Food. So I forgot I have food in my furnace, but now I'm not starving to death, I guess. So what can we do? Of course, my love. Service, mom, coughing, but I'm sick. So I think I still post videos if I'm sick. Cause I'll do everything for y'all. So please like and subscribe. Please guys like and subscribe. Please. What? So that's all. Oh wait. Actually, it's not that all. It's not. That's not all of my video. So I'll just tell a little bit longer. So I'm sorry if I said that, but it's not real. But I'm sorry. What the hell? Let's go here. Then let's want some. I can't see oak, so I need to pick up the apples. So let me replant them. So now I need to plant them. So guys, I'm just gonna plant these. Then we're done planting it. So let me sleep because it's already sunset. So we are done. We're there day 4. So that's all guys. Peace. Bye.